In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play with and invite AI NBA players to MyCourt in NBA 2K26. Now this is a pretty cool feature. Let's say you don't have any friends online, you can still play against AI players or even team up with them in different games. Here's how you do it. So when you are in your MyCourt, you are going to head over to the right side where the kiosk is. At this kiosk, you'll see the option to invite friends if you are online. But if you want AI players, look for the option that says invite AI players. Click on that. Then just pick the ones you wanna add. For example, I'll select these players, confirm it, and boom, they'll appear right there on your court. Now you can start a game, go into the play options, choose who you want to match up against, and you can run a one-on-one match or whatever setup you want. This is perfect if you want practice but don't have friends online at the moment. It's simple and fun way to get better against some competition. So yeah, that's how it's done. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.